Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an employee incident report letter. What is an employee incident report letter? An employee incident report letter is a formal document that most supervisors keep for future reference and use to improve safety measures to prevent similar incidents in the workplace. It is important that all the information you write in the report is accurate. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an employee incident report letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you can write your information as the writer of this letter. Here, you need to write your full name. Under it, write your occupation in the company. Or, if you write this on behalf of your individual, you can just write your home address. When you write the address, you should mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After that, write the date of the letter. It is necessary to use the format of month, date, and year. In this example is November 25, 2023. For the next, write the recipient's information. Here, you can write the full name first. After that, write the occupation and the company name. Or, if you address this letter personally, you can just simply write the recipient's home address. Again, don't forget to write the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Now, you can then open the letter with salutation. The most used one is Dear Mr., or Ms., or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, write the details about the incident. Here, you need to answer the questions of where, when, who, and how. So, first of all, mention the place where the incident happened. And mention the time. You need to write down the day, month, date, and year. And write the person who was injured. After that, tell the recipient about how the incident happened. So, in this example, the writer reported that the incident happened in Fairview Boutique on Friday, November 23, 2023. The employee who got injured is Jennifer Lynch. And the writer told the recipient that the employee was stacking shelves while standing on a ladder, in order to reach the top shelf of handbags, at 4:10 p.m. Yes, every single detail here is crucial, so you must write it correctly. Somehow, the company or insurance or so on may need the report and watch the CCTV or something to match the report. So write it carefully. In the second paragraph, this is the place where you tell step by step or the chronology about the incident. Of course you cannot just tell the employee falls from ladder and done. Nope, you must tell every detail chronologically. So, the employee here was stretching to place a bag on the shelf. But, the ladder collapsed from under her. And she fell to the ground. The writer then explained that other employee witnessed the incident. The writer said that a coworker heard the loud noise. And the coworker immediately helped the injured employee. After that, tell about the employee condition. At that time, the employee was in a lot of pain. And the employee could not get to her feet as she felt lightheaded. And if the employee was bleeding or something, you must mention it here too. You need to write every detail on this report letter. And then, you need to write how the injured employee was taken care of. In this exam, an ambulance was phoned. And she was brought to the hospital. It should be clear if the injured employee got medical treatment or not. And then, mention the current condition about the injured employee. There must be a report from the hospital about the employee. Just mention it in this letter. So, in this example, the injured employee obtained a broken right arm. And the employee also got bruised thigh and hip. And not only that, the writer also stated that the injured employee got a bump to the head that left no major head injury. In short, the writer told the recipient that the employee condition is not in critical. And mention also what doctor said about the treatment. For example, doctor might recommend the injured employee 3 weeks off work at the minimum. This is really necessary to write all details mentioned in this letter. So, the company knows what to do, like giving weeks offs, financial help, or so on. In the last paragraph, you must state clearly if the incident is purely incident or because of someone else's fault. In this example, the writer explains how the incident was because of the injured employee herself. And tell why. For example, the writer said that the fall was concluded to the nobody else's fault, but was put down to the employee herself, who accidentally overreaching, instead of moving the ladder to where she needed to see. Yes, write the conclusion clearly so there will be no more questions about this matter. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write an employee incident report letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.